So I now did 2 hot or not videos, and I thought it was a nice idea to create a specific intro for hot or not, to make it more like a feature than something that normal H-Pro Edit does. I created the new intro, and I will share how I did it to you. So for this new hot or not intro, I wanted something that actually feels like the concept. Fire on one side, ice on the other, and real gear in the visuals. But getting there wasn't exactly a one-shot success. I started generating images using ChatGPT, trying to get that perfect fire and ice look. And as you can see, the first results were not great. Some had backgrounds I couldn't use, others had weird compositions or just did not fit the style at all. So I kept iterating, tweaking the prompt, changing the layout, asking for transparency, splitting the images into layers, and honestly, this is the part people don't always show. Working with AI is not just click and done. It's trial and error, lots of small adjustments until things start to finally click. Sometimes you get something close, but not quite usable. Other times, it's completely missed the point, but if you keep refining, you start getting results that actually work. And eventually, we ended up with these 3 clean visuals: the hot side, the not side, and the title. And these are the ones I will be using in the next part to build the actual intro animation. So yeah, not everything worked, but that's exactly how you get to something that works. Alright, here you can see my DaVinci Resolve project with all the assets ready to go. The only thing left is to create a fusion composition, open it and drop in a background node and connect that straight to the media out. Now add nodes for the 3 assets and merge them together. At frame 0, make sure everything is hidden. Then at frame 5, 10 and 15, bring each element in using keyframes. Keep the other elements hidden at 5 and 10. That's what creates the animation timing. Once that's done, jump back to the edit page and grab your old intro. Cut it up and add a shake effect so it feels like it's breaking apart. Then drop in your animation and layer in some transition sounds. Add a glass breaking sound effect on top. Trim everything nicely, and that's it. Yeah, that was it. I hope it was interesting, and see you in the next video.